In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use flexible columns in Hubspot Pages 2025, step by step. First, open the page you want to work on inside Hubspot. From your account, head to Content, then Website Pages or Landing Pages, and choose the page you'd like to design. Click Edit to enter the builder so you're looking at the page canvas. Before you start placing elements, make sure the page is using a drag and drop template. Flexible columns are part of HubSpot's drag and drop editor, so if you don't see the right options, switch to a compatible template, then keep the editor open. Now add a flexible column section. In the left sidebar, browse the Layout or Modules area and search for Flexible Column, sometimes labeled as a drag and drop section. Click and drag it onto the spot on your page where you want the layout to live. You'll see an empty area ready for content. Create your columns by adding modules side by side inside that area. Click into the flexible column and drop in items like text, image, or button modules next to one another. As soon as you place multiple modules in a row, HubSpot automatically forms columns for you. For example, pair an image beside a block of text for a clean 2-column hero, or place 3 small text modules in a row to showcase services or features. Resize the columns to get the proportions you need. Hover near the boundaries between columns and drag to adjust widths. Aim for common splits like an even 50-50 or a content-driven 70-30 when one side needs more room. Keep readability in mind and avoid squeezing text too tightly. Next, add and customize the content in each column. Insert rich text, images, forms, or CTAs as needed, and configure the settings of each module independently. Consistent heading sizes and image ratios will help everything feel cohesive. Style the section so it matches your brand. Select the section or any module to edit background color, padding, and spacing, and alignment. A subtle background tint can separate the block from the rest of the page, and generous spacing keeps columns from feeling cramped. Check the mobile experience, switch to mobile view, then review how the columns stack. Reorder modules if the default stacking doesn't tell the story top to bottom the way you want. When you're happy, save your changes and publish. Click Update or Publish, then open the live preview to confirm the layout, spacing, and links look great on the final page.